Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to learn measurement of time interval. How do you measure time? With the help of clock, right? Then SI unit of time is second. Okay. An atomic standard of time based on the periodic vibrations produced in the cesium-133 atom. I hope you know that. Sometimes this cesium clock called as atomic clock because these clocks are highly stable. It can be used in the national standard of time. In the cesium clock, the second is taken as the time needed for 9,192,631,770 vibrations of radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine line of ground state of cesium atom. We have already studied this definition in our previous video, right? The vibration of the cesium atom regulate the rate of this cesium clock just as the vibration of balance wheel regulates a wristwatch, or the vibration of small quartz crystal regulates a small quartz crystal watch. Okay, this cesium clock is very accurate. The national standard of time is maintained through 4 cesium clock. And the Indian Standard Time IST is linked to this cesium set of cesium clock. Up to this clear. Next one is uncertainty. Uncertainty in the time is plus or minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 13. What is uncertainty? It is nothing but margin of error of measurement is uncertainty. So, in this cesium clock, the uncertainty is 1 less than 1 part in 10 to the power of 13, which means they lose or gain no more than 3 microsecond in 1 year, or we can say 3 millionths of a second per year. Okay, both are same. Up to this clear. So, we discussed about the uncertainty of the cesium atomic clock. So far, we discussed about the SI unit of time and its definition, and we discussed about the functioning of cesium atom, cesium atomic clock, and the error analysis. Up to this clear. Next one is example, some of the example for this clock. What are they? One is solar clock. Second one is electric oscillator. Third one, electronic oscillator. What is the difference between electric and electronic? Here we use the main source, main power supply source. Here we use IC chip, transistor and all the semiconductor devices. Okay. So this is the major difference between electric and electronics. Fourth one is our atomic clock. Just now we discussed about it. And the fifth one is the decay of particle. And the sixth one is radioactive dating. And the seventh one is quartz crystal oscillator or clock. These are the example of clocks. Okay. And one important thing is the smallest practical unit of time is, because you know that the SI unit of time is second. The smallest practical unit of time is shake. What is shake? Smallest practical unit of time. That is shake. One shake is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. Up to this clear? I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.